Now looking into the binary search. So what we are going to do with the binary search? So you know that this is the array. Suppose elements are 7, 8, 10, 3 and 7, 8 and 12 and 15. You know that in binary search the elements must be arranged in a sorted order. This is the first condition for binary search. Condition for binary search is all the elements must be sorted. All the elements are in sorted order. So here these are the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the index. So these are the index and these are the elements. Now what does the binary search means? If you want to search any element, suppose what you have to search, you have to search suppose 12. Suppose you have to search 12. So how you are able to search this 12 element in case of binary search? The logic of the binary search is you have to divide the element. You have to divide the element into two arrays. So suppose the first one is 12. So 12 must be compared to the mid term of this array. So suppose this is the array A of 5. It is having A of 0 to 4. So what is the mid? We have to find first mid term, mid. Mid is equal to start plus end divided by 2. What is the starting end? Starting element is 0. Final element is n minus 1. So n minus 1 is 4 divided by 2, that is 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So second element is our mid element. So this is the second element which is our mid element. So first of all this 12 is compared to this mid element. When we compare this 12 to the mid element, if it is equal, no it is not equal, then what we have to do? We have to take that is 12 greater than 10 or not. If it is equal, not equal, first we have to check whether it is equal or not. If it is equal, okay. If it is not equal, then we have to check whether it is greater than it or not. Is it greater than or less than? It is greater than. If it is greater than, that means it must lies here to this end. 12 must lies here, because from this mid element the before element are smaller, the after element are greater. So then we will do what? We will just put this start to this middle element and then last is this. Then again we have to perform the mid. Mid is equal to start plus end. What is start? Start is now 2. 2 plus 4 divided by the 2, which is equal to 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. So third position is your mid element now. Then you compare this 12 to this 12. Yes, 12 is compared to 12. Fine. Okay, it is working. So this is how the binary search work. Let us see about its algorithm and let us check about its time and space complexity. What does the time and space complexity this binary search takes? Okay, so first of all we have start is equal to 0 and end is equal to n. The number of elements that we have, n minus 1 is your end. So n is the number of element, n is number of elements. So you have to find out the mid first. Mid, mid. Mid is equal to start plus end divided by 2. While only one while is there, while up to what? Start is lesser than end. जब तक start आपका end से छोटा है, until your start is lesser than end, then you have to find if search equals to, if array of mid equals to search. If your array of mid, so this is your array 7, 8, 10, 12 and 15. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the value of start? Start is 0, end is, start is equal to 0, end is equal to n minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 5 minus 1 is 4. So your first mid is 0 plus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So at second position, this is it. Array of mid, array of 2 is 10. 10 is compared to search. If it is equal, no it is not equal. If it is equal, then you can write cout element found. If it is not found, if it is not there, then what you have to do? If array of mid, if your array of mid is not equal to search, that means it is greater than search. अगर ये search से बड़ा है, if array of mid is greater than search, then what you have to do, then you have to take s is equal to mid, you allocate the value of mid to s. So s यहाँ से 0 से shift होकर it will move to here, so s now is here. And what is this, then we have to calculate new mid. Mid is equal to start plus and divided by 2. And if this condition is not satisfied, if mid is not greater than search, it is lesser than search, so in its else part, what you have to write, you have to write in else part of this if condition, you have to write last is equal to mid is equal to s plus e divided by 2. Simply doing this. So you put this last to mid, and then mid is equal to start plus n divided by 2, and until unless start is less than end, so it will provide you the result. Fine. So this is the complete condition that is going on in case of binary search. Now let us look upon the complexity of this binary search. There are two cases for its complexity. See, there are two cases for its complexity. The one case is the best case. First case is the best case, where you find the first element. That means when you are finding out the mid element, at the mid element you find the element to be searched. Means at the mid element, the element found, that is 12 is found in mid element. Suppose if you want to search 12 is found in the mid element. So that means T of n is equal to T of n by 2. So that means at the position n, when you divide it by n by 2, you find the result. So this is your result if you find the result. So in that case, the complexity would be log of n, because we are dividing. T of n is equal to T of n by 2. So we are dividing. So we know that if you use here master's method, you know that in case of master method, you have a is equal to your 1 and b is equal to 2. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. So n log of ba you have to calculate, that is equal to n log of what is b is 2, a is 1. So 2 का power क्या डालेंगे कि वो हो जाएगा 1, that is 0. So n raised to power 0, which is equal to 1. Both 1 and plus constant, that is 1. So 1 and 1 are same, function and n naught are equal. Then second case of master's method, it says theta of n log of ba log of n. So n log of ba is 1 log of n. So this is theta of log of n. This is the best case in which your searched element is equivalent to mid element. That means T of n is equal to T of n by 2 if you found like this. But there is second case, that is called the worst case scenario. You haven't found the element here. आप एलिमेंट यहाँ पर फाइंड ही नहीं करते हैं, एंड एलिमेंट आपको काफ़ी दूर जाकर मिलता है. सो इन दैट केस यू हैव टी ऑफ एन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टी ऑफ एन बाई 2 प्लस टी ऑफ एन बाई 2. That means you are going to search to this end as well and this end as well. So that means you have 2tn by 2. So this is the case where you have found 2tn by 2. So that means 2tn by 2 कितना हो जाएगा, log of n log of ba. So that means n log of 2 power 1 हो जाएगा, तो n raised to power 1 which is equal to n. And here you have c function is constant, but it is n, so n is greater than constant. So case 1 of master method, what it says, theta of analog of ba, that is n. So theta of n आपका वो केस बनेगा कि जब आपके पास both end पे searching होगी, when the searching is done in both end. So that theta of n or theta of log of n, both are the time complexities. And if there is a constraint that you have to solve the big binary search with the help of log of n, so you have to make sure that the minimum iteration you are going to do in this way, that you are able to find the result only at one end. आप दूसरे end पे travel ना करें, बल्कि एक ही end पर उसका result find out करें, अगर ये आपको minimum constraint दिया हुआ है. Otherwise अगर ये constraint नहीं है तो it can be solved in theta of n time as well. So this is the time complexity. And what would be the space complexity for this? Because since we have used only one array in this case, if we are using only one array, that means constant space, then the space for this is big O of 1 or theta of 1, whatever you want. But if you are using two arrays, one for this array, this side, and one for this side, that means you are splitting this array into two parts. That means a second array is created for your use. You are using second space. So in that case, the complexity becomes big O of n. So when the complexity becomes big O of n, space complexity, only in that case when you are using extra space. And how much extra space? The same of extra space that is already allocated to you. The basic space plus more space you are adding. So the more space you are taking into account, then that is the extra space that is required for your algorithm, then it becomes big O of 1. Fine. Hope you understand the time and space complexity in case of binary search as well.